Hi, my beautiful people. You are welcome back again to BJ's Airwaves TV, your number one channel of choice when it comes to black women hairstyles. How you all doing? Hope you're all doing great. Yes. In today's video, you get to see so many beautiful short hairstyles. Yes, looking for beautiful, easy to manage short natural hairstyles that make you feel confident at any age. In this video, we will show you the top short natural hairstyles that older black women in the USA, UK, and Canada are loving right now. From soft coils to elegant tapas, these styles are perfect for everyday life, work, or special occasions. So let's start with the classic short natural cuts. These timeless looks are low maintenance, yet stylish. It is perfect for women in their 40s, 50s, and 60s. Yeah. They keep your hair neat and healthy while highlighting your natural beauty. Many older black women in the USA love this look because it is easy to maintain, to style in the morning, and last all week with minimal efforts. As you can see, this style is so gorgeous on this beautiful, elegant black women. Next up is the soft coiled natural hairstyles. These coils add volume and movement to your hair, giving you a youthful and elegant appearance. It is soft, they are perfect if you want a style that is playful yet sophisticated. In the UK and Canada, these soft coil looks are trending. Yes, they are trending among our beautiful women who want a natural look without spending hours in the salon. As you can see, you can rock this hairstyle, your beautiful hairstyle, anytime, anywhere. Make your hairstyle, your hair, your priority. Make it beautiful, make it glow inside and out, anytime, anywhere you meet yourself. Now let's talk about elegant tapa cuts and layered short hairstyles. These styles frame your face beautifully and highlight your feature. They are ideal for professional women in the USA who want a polished look that is both stylish and easy to maintain. Rock these styles to your office or any formal occasion. Finally, don't be afraid to try a modern twist from soft colored highlights to short cuts. These styles are perfect if you want to add a little personality while staying classy. Older women in Canada are loving these styles. Which style is your favorite? Which of these short natural hairstyles would you try first? Comments below and tell us where you are watching from, either from the USA, UK, or Canada. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more hairstyle inspiration for black women of all ages. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists who have given us the opportunity to showcase these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.